If it seems to you that the foods that are good for you are also some of the most expensive ones, you're right. I hear this all the time, and I notice it whenever I do my grocery shopping too. It's a challenge to eat healthy when you're trying to make ends meet at the same time. There's no question that many of our least expensive foods, starchy, sugary, fatty foods, are also the ones that provide the least nutrition, especially when compared to the more expensive items like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins like poultry and fish. Fresh foods are more perishable too, and nothing hurts more than to throw out pricey fruits and veggies when they've gone bad. Eating healthy and saving money can go hand in hand, but you've got to be willing to spend a little time planning and probably a little more time in the kitchen. Here's why. We pay a lot of money for convenience. Many processed foods might seem like a bargain, and they may be saving you time, but processing actually adds to food costs, so you get a much better nutritional return when you invest in more natural foods. Rather than single-serve flavored yogurt, for example, buy large containers of plain yogurt, sweeten it to taste, and add your own fruit. If fresh fruit's too expensive, frozen or juice-packed canned fruits are just as nutritious. Frozen veggies are a great bargain too, and they're just as nutritious as fresh since they're processed so quickly after they're harvested. I buy the loose-packed fruits and vegetables in bulk so that I can use only what I need. You'll pay a premium for pre-washed and pre-cut produce too, so taking a few extra minutes to cut up whole veggies will save you a bundle. Instead of heavily processed cereals, look for generic brands of plain bran flakes and shredded wheat and oatmeal. You can buy an entire container of rolled oats for what you spend on a box of 8 instant packets. Instead of expensive deli sliced meats, roast your own turkey breast to slice up for sandwiches. It really only takes a few minutes to season it up and toss it in the oven to cook. Try going vegetarian once a week. Not only does it save you money, you can put together really delicious meals that are super healthy. Take tips from other cuisines and try Indian lentil curries with rice or a spicy black bean soup with some corn tortillas. Round out the menu with a salad or some fruit in season, and you've got a nutrition-packed meal for pennies per person. Cook some one-dish meals like soups, stews, or pasta dishes in bulk and freeze individual portions for workday lunches. Check out your supermarket ads before you head out to see what's on sale too, and use these to guide your meal planning. Coupon clipping can help, but keep in mind that the majority of coupons are for highly processed foods. Wouldn't it be great if there were coupons for fresh fruits and vegetables?